Relationship between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. If we have two non-zero numbers a and b, the arithmetic mean between these two numbers we write as a is given as a plus b over 2, and the geometric mean is given as square root ab. If we find a minus g, that will be equal to a plus b over 2 minus square root ab, and that is a plus b minus 2 square root a times square root b over 2, which can also be written as a minus g is equal to square root a square plus square root b square minus 2 times square root a times square root b over 2. And the right hand side can also be written as square root a minus square root b over square root 2 whole square. As the right hand side is a square which is non-negative, so that means this is greater than or equal to 0, means a minus g is greater than equal to 0, or a is greater than equal to g. And that proves that am of any two numbers is greater than equal to their gm. So we found a relationship between am and gm is that am is greater than equal to gm. There's one more result that we can generate from here, that value of a and b in terms of arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So we know that the arithmetic mean is a plus b over 2. That means 2a is same as a plus b. And geometric mean g is square root ab. That means g square is equal to ab. If I write an equation x square minus a plus b times x plus ab equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, and here a plus b can be replaced with 2a and ab can be replaced with g square. So x squared minus 2a times x plus g square is equal to 0. And if by quadratic formula you find the roots of this equation, they will be a plus minus square root of a square minus g square. These are the values of x. But the initial equation was x square minus a plus b times x plus ab. And the roots of this equation are x is equal to a and b. Therefore, we can say that a is equal to a plus square root a square minus g square, and b is equal to a minus square root a square minus g square.